Go, Jamie.
That doesn't look right.
It doesn't.
Get up. No. This is not okay.
Go, Jamie.
Ow.
It's okay,
Does anyone have rum pockets?
Yeah. Look, your belly button.
He cracked my whole shoulder.
Okay, cat hit. Anyone?
Yeah. There you go.
Oh my gosh, my electronics, don't move.
Did you see that, Jason? Just completely hugged Jess.
Creeper hugged me while I was falling.
There we go. I got you.
I'm not gonna touch you.
Oh, wait.
Stay back.
No.
Fix the bed.
Yeah.
Never. Ow, gross.
I'll help you.
How could you hit me?
Ow.
Why did you hug me when I fell?
Go like this?
No.
I'm gonna pick you up.
Why? I'm heavy!
You're handy.
Stop it.
Oh, stop. Cruz, you need to stop. You need to stop.
Leave him alone.
You're not his father.
Hey, don't hit him.
Go there, you
Let's
pig.
take him upstairs.
Get out of here, pig.
I fell in. Go.
I can't. The pillow's in the way.
I got it.
Yeah, you better get it.
Go! Hey! Don't look at you. Go! Hey! Jamie, turn the light on.
I can't see.
It's right there.
Ouch! Oh gosh.
Hello?
Where am I?
Are you okay?
Up there.
Yeah, how do you
That was one
like?
hell of a slap, Jason. Ow!
Got my back to the
Jamie, grab me.
I am stabbing him. What do you think?
Right where my bra strap is, it scratched me.
What was that really big
You need to
slap?
stop.
He slapped her
He
boob.
slapped my back and it hit my bra strap and it scratched my back, so I screamed.
Cruz, Cruz. Cruz, you need to stop.
Damn it! You're gonna kill him.
Cruz.
Did you see what she did?
No more, Cruz.
She plugged his nose and covered his mouth.
No more,
Stop
Cruz.
hitting him.
Don't hit him.
You'd be very good
Don't
at
don't
killing
hit
children.
Jason. I got Cruz.
Would be good at killing children? Jamie.
She was. Get up there.
And pull your pants off.
Stay on the top step.
Cruz, you need to stop now.
I see you have to stop.
What am I doing?
Bouncing on the bed?